Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. In this video, I am going to define you how you describe how you use a numeric display in your WinCC Unified. So you will see I have some numeric entries already here and a toggle button. But now I am going to use a numeric display. So first of all, I am going to choose a numeric display here. And I think I need to arrange that like that, and now I'm going to going to its property, and now I'm going to select here is the format as an output. So and now I'm going to define here as 9.99 as a level, but in the process tag I am going to define here as a tag, and the tag is my id 30 is my level tag. So where is id 30? You will see that it is my level tag. So my first numeric entry is clear. Now I am going to use the second numeric entry, and I am going to name it error tag, I think. So my second numeric entry is here, and I am going to give it change the mode to output, and the process value I am going to define here as a tag, and I am going to select a tag here. What is the tag value? First of all, let me see. The tag value is tag 6, and now I'm going to use here is the tag 6. You will see here, and my second numeric tag is now ready, and my level tag is now also, my level display is now also ready. Now I'm going to simulate it like that, start a simulation, and now my project is going to load. So you will see that my project is loading, and first when the loading done, then we will see that the numeric working of numeric display. So now the project is being loaded, and in my schematic runtime manager I am going to refresh that to show that the simulated project, you will see that it is running. And now I'm going to open a web page to see it is working or not, but now I think I need to use a factory IO to show you the numeric display and everything. You will see that it is now open, but I think I need to sort it like that. So we have already some numeric entries in display, and I set it to 7.5, but now I think I need to going it to 4, 5. So you will see that it is now going to 5, level 5, and it is calculating also the error. So I also need to change it to 1. So let's see. So that's how the numeric display works in WinCC Unified. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and click the bell icons. And also if you have any query, so comment in the section, or In the descriptions I give my WhatsApp number, so if you have any query you can WhatsApp me, and in the description there are also have some others tutorials playlist list. So if you want to learn, watch my channel. Thank you for watching my video again. Thank you very much.